To start, I've added a select element to our index.html page and added a few options. Next, what we're going to do is go over into our styles and we're going to target our select element. And to start, we're going to start by removing some of the default browser styling that gets applied. So we're going to do an appearance none. We're going to remove the border. We'll set our background color to transparent. We're going to just inherit the browser font and color, and then we're going to reset our border radius. So with that done, next thing that we need to do is run auto prefixer on this. That's going to apply our WebKit prefix to our appearance and also the moz. And then the last thing that we need to do is target our IE browsers, and we can do that by ms expand, and we'll do a display none there as well. That's going to remove the custom arrows within IE browsers. So now when we reload this page, we can see here our select starts to look like paragraph text, but we can still interact with it as if it's a select element. This isn't an ideal design for a select dropdown, so what we can do is start adding our custom styling. So we're going to start bringing some of this stuff back. We're going to bring back our border. So we'll do a border of 1 pixel solid black. We'll do a border radius of 4 pixels. Let's add some padding. So now we're going to reload this page. We can see here we're starting to get back to where we want to be with our custom select. Next, what we want to do is add a custom drop down arrow. So we're going to open up Sketch, and I have a icon from Material Icons. This is an SVG. We're just going to copy that SVG code. We're going to go to this website, svgomg, and we're going to paste in the SVG we just copied, and we're going to download the optimized SVG. We'll save that as a file. And then the next thing what we're going to do is go to b64.io. This allows us to upload our SVG, and it'll convert it to a base64 encoded string that we can use as a background image within our CSS. So we're going to drop that in here. I'm just going to do a little bit of formatting, add some quotes, and next what we want to do is do remove some of the background repeat. So we'll do background repeat, no repeat. Let's go back to our browser, and we can see here our icon is in the top left hand corner of our select element. So next what we can do is do a background position, and we'll do a top of 50% and right 0.75 rem, and the other values we'll just set to 0. So now we got our drop down arrow kind of where we want it to be. Next thing that we need to do is just add some more padding right to our select. So we can do 2.25 rem and then 1 rem for the left and bottom. So now we got a custom styled select. This will look consistent across all of the different browsers, and we can still interact with it as if it's a select element.